Hello, this is Jamie from the Red Bank Public Library. Welcome to Power Play. Today, we're going to be making our own Pete the Cat reading wands for Read Across America Day. And you might be wondering, what's a reading wand? Well, it's for when you're reading. Help you point out the words. So, let's say, go right here. And then you would use Pete the Cat's ear to point. Tomorrow is St. Patrick's Day. And Pete's teacher, Mrs. G, is teaching about leprechauns. And then also he could be used as a bookmark too. And you could just stick out just like that. You could get kits from the library lobby. And now I'm going to show you how you can make your very own. In the kit, you'll get a headpiece, stick, 2 rectangles, an eyes and nose, neck, and buttons. And also you need a marker, scissors, and glue. To begin, we're going to take the headpiece and we're going to glue on the 2 eyes and nose. Next, we'll take the neck piece and the popsicle stick, which will be the color of his coat. And we're going to glue the neck piece on. The point's going to be towards the bottom. This will give the illusion that this is a coat. There we are. And now, put a lot of glue on and put Pete's head on. Next, we're going to take the black rectangles and we're going to be making Pete's whiskers out of these. You take the scissors and you cut almost to the top, but not quite. You want to leave some of the paper at the bottom. And you cut some, and I'm actually going to cut this a little short because I think that's enough for the whiskers. I want it to be nice and thin. Then I'm going to use the scissors to cut on a diagonal. So then we have different lengths for Pete's whiskers. And you could play with them a little bit, spread them out, and you could put glue on it and put it to the side of one of his cheeks. And then spread them out a bit more. And there we go. Now let's make the other side. When you're done with the whiskers, you could put on the buttons now. And we're going to start with the light blue. Then dark blue. Green. And red. Now for the finishing touch. We're going to be adding holes to each button using a marker. And it should kind of look like you're making a square. And there we are. There's your Pete the Cat reading wand. Thank you again for coming to Power Play, and have a very happy Read Across America Day. I hope you'll read a lot. because Pete says reading is groovy. Okay, bye. I'll see you next time. And hopefully next time it'll be in person.